Friends, if you've ever watched one of my videos and thought, I wish I knew how she uses AI. I wish I knew what she does behind the scenes. I wish I knew how she sells her art. I wish I knew all, how to make sells. Or if you thought I'd love to be part of a creative community that actually feels personal to you, then I want to invite you to join my Drip Drop Studio Club. This is my inner circle right here on YouTube, same channel, same fun, same creative chaos, but a little closer, a little more relaxed, and a lot more fun. When you click join, you'll get loyalty badges and custom emojis. That helps me instantly spot you when you're making comments on my videos or in the live chats. I'll also be doing member shout outs because I truly appreciate the people who support this channel. You'll have access to member-only live streams where I share things I don't normally show, like how I mix my paints, how I actually use AI, and whether it's good to use it or not. How can you use it as an artist without interfering with that artistic side of you? The live streams will be more interactive, more relaxed, a great place to connect with others, ask questions, ask me questions, and I just think a perk of this is that you'll be able to find out answers to your questions more easily, hear from the other members in the communities, and be a part of this special community. So joining it helps Drip Drop Studio Club, helps support this channel, and allows me to keep creating, keep experimenting, keep sharing while building a kind, encouraging, and creative community right here on YouTube. If that sounds like something you'd like and enjoy, just click join below this video. I'd love to welcome you into our Drip Drop Studio Club family, and who knows what kind of good time we're going to have together in the future. Let's go make something beautiful. Bye.